Today, I'll show you how to create a slow zoom in or zoom out effect on your video clip. This is a great way to add movement to static shots and give your videos a more cinematic look. First, import your video into the timeline and tap on the clip to select it. Then, head over to the right-hand editing menu and tap on pan and zoom. Now, you'll notice that by default, the start and end frames are linked. That means the zoom level stays the same throughout the entire clip. But since we want movement, tap the link icon to unlink them. Next, set your start frame. For example, you might start with the clip fully zoomed out so you can see the entire scene. Then switch to the end frame and zoom in on the subject by pinching the preview window. Or, if you want the opposite, start zoomed in and end zoomed out. When you play it back, you'll see the video slowly zooming over time, either drawing attention to your subject or giving the scene a dramatic reveal. Once you're happy with the effect, just tap the check mark to apply. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a smooth, slow zoom in or zoom out effect in KineMaster. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.